Hey everybody, this is Chris Bystead over here at Bish's RV, and I am here at our Junction City lot where we have a bunch of amazing trailers on sale this month. And when I talk about on sale, I'm talking about unbelievably on sale. This right here is the Heartland Sundance Snake River Edition. If you are looking for a bunkhouse trailer and you actually want to have a lot of extra space, this one is great. It's a 278 bunkhouse, and it's got a fantastic floor plan and some little extras. Let me show you a few things on the outside real quick. So notice here you've got nice thick insulated doors. They are magnetic. Inside you're going to notice you have a solar controller already installed and a solar panel up on top of the roof. That is a big plus. And you have Lippert power stabilizing jacks on this as well. Another big plus that you don't see in all the trailers these days, especially ones that are at this sale price. Now take a look, slam latch doors, make it really easy to load and unload. Tinted windows, that's going to give you a lot more space on the inside of this when you're camping. All of your connections are right here in one place, nice and easy for your dump station. By the way, when you buy one of these from Bish's RV, we're going to make sure that everything works, everything is safe, and our tech is going to walk through and teach you how to do everything when we hook it up to your truck. So we want you to go camping with confidence that you're going to know how to work everything and everything's going to work. And so that's another novel idea. You're going to see a spray port right on the back. And another space up top here, as well as a suburban gas griddle. So wouldn't that be an amazing feature to have, and so easy for you when you go camping with all the kids? That's one of the things that people love about RVs, is that it makes it easy to go out camping and to go out camping often. You keep all of your stuff basically in there and loaded, and you pull up, hit Albertsons on your way. Take a look at this trailer. They walk right past what I think is one of the best features of this trailer. It's this right here. This door opens up to what I think, if you have a larger family, is absolutely amazing. That huge pantry, that closet, you can put so many things in there, and that really helps. So you can go on longer trips and you don't have to go to the grocery store all the time. There's a couple bunks in the corner with a ladder, space for the kids to throw their gear underneath. These are very comfortable, actually, and they do have a privacy curtain that goes all the way around. You can also use them if you're not bringing extra sleepers with you on a certain trip. That's a lot of extra storage that you can put gear, and that's kind of neat too. Look at this bathroom. You're going to see that we do have blackout shades in here. There's a blackout shade on that bathroom. Nice shower, plenty large enough for everybody to use, and there's even a little bit of a tub. Right here, this is really fantastic because you can sit here and watch TV straight across from you. It's gorgeous, it's romantic, it actually puts off heat. And it's right in front of this sofa. And another really cool thing about this one is this is a tri-fold bed. So this will pull out and sleep two people. You have a dinette with extra storage underneath. This will drop down and sleep some people, usually a little bit shorter people, or people that like to sleep curled up. So you can sleep 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 people in this trailer or more. I'm going to show you the kitchen real quick. You've got a corner kitchen, nice big stainless steel farmhouse sink, lots of drawers and cabinets. You've got a microwave, a light and fan, a 3-burner gas stove, and an oven. And you've got a large refrigerator. And I like the fact that they put a bigger refrigerator in here, because usually when you buy a bunkhouse, you've got a lot of mouths to feed. And this thing, it can store a lot of hot dogs, right? So you've got all the stuff right here. These are all adjustable shelves. Very, very slick. And you know what, on another note, I like these handles, the way they open. The older I get, arthritis starts sticking in, and those old school handles kind of hurt my hands. These are just so easy. I really love that. I wish they put that in all the trailers. Now I'm going to show you back in the bedroom. This is really great. Now you've got a queen bed, you've got a walk around bed. So it's a sliding door. And so you can have a completely private space away from the other campers. And you have plenty of extra space up above for gear and on each side hanging closets. So another couple features that's really neat is you have a door here. Look, you can even look out and see who's there. That's a really nice safety feature. And a TV can go here, as well as there's 3 extra drawers in this room too for extra items that you want to store, and that makes it nice. Underneath this bed, it does not lift up because that's a very huge pass-through underneath that we looked at before. Now you're going to notice these trailers are really pretty great for tall people. I'm over 6 feet tall and I've got a lot of headroom here. This is a fantastic trailer. This is like the ultimate bunkhouse trailer for a family. You can sleep a ton of people, store a lot of gear, and it's on sale right now at an unbelievably low price. And I would love to be the one that gets to help you make this dream come true and maybe put this on the back of your truck and get camping this year. This month is the time to buy, so we have to hurry. So please give me a call and I'll help you. My name is Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.